the essential guide to cleaning root vegetables, ensuring safe and healthy consumption. Root vegetables are celebrated for their rich flavors, versatility, and impressive nutritional profiles. From hearty potatoes and sweet carrots to earthy beets and spicy radishes, these tubers and roots can elevate a multitude of dishes. However, their journey from the soil to your plate comes with an important responsibility, ensuring they are thoroughly cleaned before consumption. Given that root vegetables are often covered with dirt, pesticides, and bacteria, proper cleaning is crucial for safe and healthy cooking. Here, we explore effective methods to clean root vegetables, ensuring they are not only delicious but also safe to eat. 1. Rinse under cold water, the first step to cleanliness. The simplest and most widely practiced method for cleaning root vegetables is rinsing them under cold water. To begin, place the vegetables in a colander or hold them under a gentle stream of running water. Using your hands or a vegetable brush, scrub each vegetable to remove visible dirt, sand, and debris. This method is particularly effective for commonly used root vegetables like potatoes and carrots, which often have dirt trapped in their skins. Cold water helps to dissolve surface-level contaminants, allowing for an initial clean. For tougher skins, a vegetable brush can provide the extra scrubbing power needed to ensure a deeper clean. 2. Soak in a vinegar solution, a natural approach to pesticide removal. For those concerned about pesticide residues and bacteria, soaking root vegetables in a vinegar solution is an excellent cleaning method. Combine 1 part white vinegar or apple cider vinegar with 3 parts water in a large bowl or basin. Submerge the vegetables in this mixture for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Vinegar possesses natural antibacterial properties that can help eliminate harmful bacteria and dissolve pesticide residues. The soaking process loosens dirt embedded in the skin, making it easier to rinse away. After soaking, be sure to rinse the vegetables thoroughly under cold water to wash away any remaining vinegar solution and contaminants. 3. Use a vegetable scrubber or brush, tackling stubborn dirt. For root vegetables with thicker or rougher skins, employing a vegetable scrubber or a stiff bristled brush can be particularly effective. These specialized brushes are designed to tackle dirt that may be stubbornly clinging to the surface of vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, and parsnips. Simply scrub the vegetables under running water, ensuring that you cover all areas, especially those with crevices. The abrasive nature of a vegetable brush helps to dislodge dirt and pesticides without damaging the vegetable's skin, making this method both quick and efficient. 4. Peel the skin, ensuring extra cleanliness. While rinsing and scrubbing can effectively clean many root vegetables, some may still require peeling for added safety and taste. If you're working with vegetables like potatoes and carrots, which can harbor dirt and pesticides in their skins, using a vegetable peeler or knife is an excellent option. Peeling removes the outer layers, where contaminants are often concentrated. This method is especially important for root vegetables grown in soil with potentially harmful substances, ensuring that what you consume is as clean as possible. Though peeling may reduce some of the nutritional benefits found in the skin, it can provide an extra layer of safety, particularly for those who are health conscious. 5. Use baking soda for tough dirt, a natural cleaning agent. For particularly stubborn dirt and residues that resist traditional rinsing methods, baking soda can be a powerful ally. Sprinkle a small amount of baking soda on the surface of the root vegetables, then scrub them with a brush or cloth under running water. The mild abrasiveness of baking soda helps dislodge persistent dirt and particles effectively. This natural cleaner also neutralizes acids and aids in breaking down pesticide residues, leaving the vegetables cleaner and safer to eat. Using baking soda not only enhances cleanliness but also offers a chemical-free solution that aligns with health-conscious values. The importance of clean root vegetables. In conclusion, cleaning root vegetables is a vital step in preparing safe and healthy meals. By utilizing these effective methods, rinsing under cold water, soaking in a vinegar solution, scrubbing with a brush, peeling when necessary, and using baking soda for tough dirt, you can ensure that your root vegetables are free from harmful contaminants and ready for cooking. Incorporating proper cleaning techniques into your kitchen routine not only enhances the quality of your meals but also promotes better health for you and your family. The effort put into cleaning these nutritious vegetables pays off in delicious, wholesome dishes that nourish the body. As you enjoy the flavors and benefits of root vegetables, remember that safety starts with cleanliness, ensuring that every bite is as healthy as it is tasty.